With MyCaseDrive, migrating documents into MyCase is easier than ever. Simply drag and drop the contents of a folder from an Explorer window into the case folder in MyCaseDrive. In this video, you will learn how to drag and drop folders and files into MyCaseDrive from your current document management solution. If you are currently storing your documents on a shared server or using a desktop application like Dropbox, OneDrive, or Google Drive, the migration process is simplified, as you can drag folders and files directly from a File Explorer window into a case in MyCaseDrive. If you store your documents in a system that does not provide desktop access, like NetDocs or iManage, or many legal practice management solutions, you need to export those files and folders from your existing document management system and store them on your computer or a server. If you're an existing customer, you may already have documents stored in MyCase, many of which are likely also stored in your current document system. Some files in MyCase are already shared with clients, shared with you, or e-signed using MyCase. Make sure you consolidate duplicate files in MyCase by separating files that were added after installation. We recommend creating an additional MyCase Files folder and putting all existing MyCase documents into that folder. All documents that existed in MyCase before the migration will live in the additional MyCase Files folder. Let's add a folder named Additional MyCase Files in a case folder. Then we will move all contents of the case folder within Drive into the additional MyCase Files folder. Each case folder will look like this after all files are moved into the additional MyCase Files folder. Repeat this process for each case individually before migrating the documents from your source to Drive. Then simply drag all the subfolders and files within the case folder from your existing system into the corresponding case folder in MyCase. We do not recommend dragging the main case folder from your current system into the MyCase folder because you would then have an additional click to access all your files within the case. Here are a few tips. We recommend migrating documents for active cases. Migrate documents after business hours or on the weekend to ensure that no one is changing documents during migration. Let your firm know when you are beginning the migration so that they do not make changes in your current system after migration is started. Make sure your firm knows once the migration is complete so they switch to only adding and editing files in MyCase. If MyCaseDrive identifies a duplicate file, you will be asked how you want to handle it. When prompted, we recommend not replacing the document in MyCase so that your clients are not notified of a new document version. Regardless of your selection, MyCase will automatically create new folders and not change existing folders in MyCase. Need more help understanding the best way to migrate documents for your firm? Review the document migration article in the Help Center or contact MyCase support for additional assistance.